Boris Johnson. COVID time. Any yes lockdown mo bi anya party. Ana ko wi an ho. Ko ya party. O wi an ho ya party no man kasa. Ana obi peke ne camera. Ana de ne betra bra hye beja fie mu. And so who the wi ya sopa a whole prime minister na beji winsem. Sanka Ghana ha ko ba na no bi ama no message say chale boys no me file member. But you see, when you go to the Western world, they treat everybody equally. Who your minister from our from? All right, so my man, some more call be my family attention TV. So me say, sound. Na sound no bra na dam watch as here. Na de bia na me kasa university de Nyankopon koso na wonhira na wonye ne kese mami. Eba ne donut cake. Jai. Kroma untibe. Wo try pe wo na mu ba bebu anu no. Wo ye champion number 1. But unim foundation no university foundation wo se men kanche wo say. Eba na doye pa dia se bia wo ye dwomaku ankora na pese woni ne di kaso bomu ya doye wo ye number 1 ene obi a wo de niama ne koma na no watena so dabi otwene kwanfo ne ehusia ho nti no eya ka no ba ntam to ma menya fast kra ansa na sound no enkofo na bitime woni mesese nka me wo hopa na wo saadefo dota kwa me nkruma aka say Ghana, my beloved country, is free forever. Ka hona mese na we de wadawru ma chire mu. Which of the frees? Are you free SHS? Are not free from poverty, free from external aggression, and now war chire mu ye. Cause un kan call the frees ha. Because free na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah kan no me ntiase. Na me dure wo so a me ntimi nyene ho. Ana me tiase so ntimi nyeye. Why? Because as at now we are not free from stupidity. And we are not free from poverty. I am telling you. We are not free from stupidity and we are not free from poverty. Sanya mam anyway. Eji atrenche okroma. What dey fight me no kokwada.
You are all aware that the party made an announcement, official announcement, that they are distributing the forms for the polling station elections today. They're starting today. Last 4 years, quite also this very chairman and his other executives did the same thing. Instead of distributing forms to party members for them to contest for the polling station elections, they shared it to themselves, to their own. And then there was no election conducted in Kwadaso. And they want to repeat same this year. Unfortunately, some of us are not going to sit down and allow this thing to happen again. We are going to fight with the last point of our blood. Whatever happens, even if they will imprison all of us, we are ready. If they want to kill all of us, we are ready. Look at the number of people here. Look at even the aged, the adults, who are ready to stand and fight for the party.
Because an executive more here, or the Addo, you will be an Min copy, na forms be amai. Frank and so by also say about the groups. Chairman was at the number. We any part 9. Who know about this? What I'm fooling in nature was here. But I say any pow. When any two about yes, I'm a top and a bar. As someone said, no matter say beer, forms in a mind to Monqua, and I tell them, Mumra, you don't have a before beer charm with the young Quadaso. I rap no more canoe, or no nama, so no one and see who quite say, yes, young chaffons. And I did dear charmer, I know, yeah, say, Mamma, time, say 19th, come on, 19th, say I'm not for forms. Yeah, your message be and just a more updated time, say a beer, and then young forms. I'm a year, sorry, how much about party office. Now, if I move my information, say, and the moon chair, your quality, and say, you better form. Ya man in Tokwa. Now, your charmai, Bonabodi, you medini hoya because you know why be I deserve.
I don't know how no sound in a shoot to know. That is quite as for you. I wouldn't be a woman. I have forms no move out. I have forms. I have forms. And a woman quack of fat. MPP for na ekofa forms ana wo mo ko sa no ana bi ni ha ana wo ha den ko azra bra yemfa ma kokotako wo bi agi aboso. And you see these people, when you vote for them, when you elect them, see the kind of disaster woman be ma. Cause forms you enya dia nyo eye form and work of our many years fabi. Now when sika no be mo bi enya bi adi. No. Forms you know or mo bi fabi na sika no be mo bi enya bi adi. And this is the kind of people that be ani di omachi MPP nie NDC nie ye haya ho ne ye to abama om sa ewia ketekete ne akiremu ahomache ne akosa line ne ye waste your time ye nyamfa so bia so om so ye nyamfa so bia om so tinu ka be sa nkroma nima be sa ni mu yie nima be sa ni mu yie sa nkroma free no ayade ahia chechemu cause free no mi hu ye tina bia o ka say god ya na mate ase external aggression no matias here but one stupidity and poverty and number chroma maybe soft common med won't mean what to chroma and then common med soft won't mean what to na so be a juma one kind na say nipa na 500 cedis make what poko ase in and out almost 10 cedis times bosome no 300 cedis ni a kire and into no bosome na transport dey 300 cedis waje 500 cedis to be da bobra wo be ye da bobra o kwa ka ya ma won ka ya ti kroma ncha na vo wo mo se ya nso nyina o kwa ka ya be ka se da bi nka o kwa ka ya be ka se nka da bi o me ka se ha wo ye papa na o ti vie na se wo ma de wo mbedi de wo mo ba num de wo mo ba hye wo mo nyaaye na o tam sika kopa ka abedam be ye show off me na minia o man wo mo hu ase eja mfasuo ni ne so a useless father. They will not tell you straight, but when you are coming one attitude ni wo mani cause you are saying you better turn left and right about you win some. That's how they see you. That is how they see you. Timon kofa form no so no adane maabo adane emabo ana ya bro wo mo ho ma tu ko ka baka say shut up o ko ka baka say shut up, you won't shut up, we won't shut up na mo ya mana jinse mo say say ada na feto sa o ko broni krom na se ka sa ne tamale ya dey ba si ya ko bie tachi man ho why ne de keka ho a sa ne akọ no o ko broni krom a ya wo bi sa. Now broni ni mu say car machine ebetimi break it down eti car ne ya ekoro ya man distance say I was a car ni jina broni the machine is so check it eti car ni do a wo betina no wa rest oba kromu ha ya de na tu a this is a destination sometime and say na wa ko home na say bona sa engine no ayehye no overheating ba another one for break na efelia okokuni pa montia no ho sika na broni club onim seka na bebre tika no ya system no according to me research was say car no yetimi set car no say e fi ha ko amasamai na kwan ye straighter utimi set na o driver no wada na wa rest ya na car na ekọ and they do baby ebe negotiate careful no amount signal no say car no aka be 5 minutes na negotiate and the be dia no say dia be ba no na negotiate careful no until we asole aba operate na car na ekọ broni tene obo ekroma ya who living legend nyame betre anya do tete ho but ya na car sinso so ba ya na article ya quote is 79 71 ni ya tuwa musikam nunkwa anana mkoma traffic light se ni obu nani uyem ba hyew street light se ni obu nani we ni ba hyew una man wan kwan so achibota forest ba so a the number of robbery cases e cost wo hokroma no ni boy ye tawo mo nsa ni boy ye hu mo bag e wo kroma no e time But our minister be a who ye. MC be a who ye. See your first street light in go see her. Now dear son I come to for a bar. I come for make a time to you one match one. I know your daddy, but Sikani de ye both watch. Me are not particular about your 11. See I was Sikani here to ya. Me young one I won't tell me no man yet. I am not against your no 11 one. And I am not in support. But some ye nesika. And ye koye mo monana what here. That is why the white man will tell you, let's give them job and tax them. You have not provided any job, but yet you want to tax. Young Korea. See me will fear. Me papa nesika no they are car na massive sequence. Left and right to talk to the BM. And for akesiama wo mudem. Na me ko hazela na me kakra wa. What catch me say, "Ma me kakra." Are you serious at all? When me pese wo tie sound bi. Akopra ko Japan, Kennedy, as central. Some you right wo ha. I love this man. I love this man. Me pese wo tie sound ne light to bi mama. Na wo tie sound na. Mama o fella no what you say. Tie sound ni sisi ya.
If you think you have a problem and the way you are going to operate is to sabotage the party. Now you are asking for the president to remove the deputy majority leader for you to be the deputy majority leader. I will also go back to America and tell President Akuffo resign before I come. Yeah. If President Akuffo should yield to Adwoa's demand, I'll also go to America. Then I'll make phone call to Chief of Staff. Well, tell President Akuffo to resign before I come back. Somebody will look at me, Kennedy Japan, you talk too much. Okay, I'm also not coming to Parliament. What precedents are we setting in this party?
Sound no watching no. You see, sometimes or bow. Sometimes like you see, so wa hu ofene no wusuban no amfa. Anu obi a na beka say e bia oduabuo. Wa wusuban na beka cho say oduabuo. Look at a very pretty woman. Oh no, boy, Adwoa Sarfo. Look at a very nice woman. Nice woman. And I'm carry a Kennedy Neka. Sound no. A very pretty woman. Look at the kind of character we show. Emma de kayeka mama wa abadaye. You see, ya mama ne yenya atale to ye konwane ye ko. But emma wa abadaye ti wo bia. Uyi Nyankopon fi wa. Because Bible na say Bible na kan was say so empo oba kan ere fi ni bampo Nyankopon ni re fi ni ba. Enti no uyi Nyankopon fi wa emma na wa abadaye wo wi ase. Enti ka ono ba Adwoa Sarfo de ka wo ye MP de ka minim say can you bother bonity? Yeah, mami. Yes, man. But look at the kind of character of Bapao. Just say, look at what you are doing to yourself in Parliament. Say, oh, parliamentarian. I don't want to talk much because they're free. But you see, we didn't vote for you because of fun. And now we're on social media. You see, I'm building on social media. How are your friend saying? Joe Biden, I mean, Joe Biden, Prince Charles, one Prime Minister, Boris Johnson. COVID time, and you say lockdown, more be on your party. I know ko we are no ko your party. Or we are no your party no man kasa. I know big PK in the camera. And you didn't better brush with the film. And so when we are so a whole Prime Minister and about you in some. Sanka Ghana ha ko ba na no bia man no message say chale boys and no me file member. But you see when you go to the Western world, they treat everybody equally. Who your minister from and people were some of the ministers and the MPs were insisting say your money for the two median from because well you came rano. Well you came rano. But like nice woman, look at what you are doing to yourself. Me, you can be my elder sister, you can be my mother. So the fact that with Suba and I said, well, bra body I have not got to that extent say metimi aka say uye oba tampone and I say wa bra boy no I won't do that but mama too because you are my elder sister you can be my mother I can advise my mother and I can advise you a woman don't behave like that make ba say the baby I don't know a woman don't behave like that about who when ni monyam ani pabu no put up such a behavior. You don't do that because the people respected you and they gave you that position as an MP. So your commanded is to serve them to their benefit. You don't go and sit somewhere and when a emergency you just come. No, you are a woman. And to come quite your button and Indian in Babede Cabanesta will constituency no one more how. But you hey, I want on social media and I want to one I will check it. Now guys, you go come out. Hey. Mama, you didn't try. That one there to be frank, I have to tell you. You didn't try. You didn't try. Cry. The way we respect you, we want you to keep that respect. The way we value you, and so we are back catch no. I didn't just swear and I just pa. What you say? Now, Chroma, me say, show no air will better sound. The sound on my one telling time my voice in very fast. To tell your rose and voice no, one more hour dear for watching and Tampana Wahoo. Line on. I subscribe the channel no, Attention TV. Yahin Vika see YouTube and Facebook, Twitter, so Ekahubi. Well, all other social media handles no, follow ya obey to me and ya macro.